We talked about how steamy it was there, and that's going to play a role in the forecast later in the day today. We have a lot of humidity to work with. It's all of the kind of haze at the surface and a little bit of fog out there for sure. That may translate into a few storms. And by the way, summertime, yeah, certainly looks like it for our weekend forecast. But big differences between today and tomorrow. It may get a little bit hotter tomorrow, but it's not going to be as humid. So it'll definitely feel a little bit better because the humidity is going to come down. 86 though for today, and there is that chance for storms, mainly during the afternoon. Using up some of the heating of the day, I think we may be a little bit more stable along the lakefront because the temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler. But as the lake breeze starts to move inland, we may see that trigger a few storms, especially once we tap into some of those 90-degree readings that we're expecting. But once we get into Sunday, this humidity is going to come down a bit, maybe a little bit sticky or uncomfortable during the day today. But once the front passes sometime later in the afternoon or overnight, I think we're going to feel a lot more comfortable, a lot more brisk as we get into your Sunday forecast. And that's why we also, because we're taking out the moisture, we take out the rain chances. Not necessarily a good thing, though, because we could use some of that rain. Our chance today is only about a 40% chance for any given location. After that, it stays dry really all the way into next week. Our rain chances pretty much dry up, both literally and figuratively. And I'd like to see some rain because the drought monitor here is showing extreme drought existing or really spreading out over parts of northeastern Illinois. And that problem is only going to get worse if we don't get some rain into our forecast. We've got a chance today. But after today, I don't think we're going to see that rain chance begin to pop back into our forecast until much farther down the road. It's also going to be warm, and this hurts our drought situation as well. More evaporation, temperatures staying into the mid to upper 80s through the next several days. Bit of a cool down as we look to Tuesday and Wednesday. But it's a very nice summer-like forecast. If you like a summer forecast, temperatures very warm, lots of sunshine, this is for you. But for those of you that maybe have a garden or for some of the farmers, it's going to be a concern because we don't see another rain chance until Friday.